Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to be a guest of the Prima Vista Festival in Tartu. UNESCO called it a city of literature, a fitting shrine to the muses which once hosted the idol of my youth and that of every reader, Yuri Mikhailovich Lotman. We are gathered on his anniversary, and I am here with sincere delight. What's even better is that the theme of this festival is the limits of play. This concept is one I am intimately familiar with, as it should be for all of us who have lived between our bookshelf and writing desk. The patron of this gathering, Urmas Vadi, has whimsically added a tennis court to this interior set, which turned out to have a very distinct connection to the literary arts. These days, we leave to our computers everything that is essential: writing and counting, facts and figures, even suggestion and prophecy. But with each retreat from the corporeal into the digital, it has become necessary to identify, locate, and defend that which cannot be substituted in binary. A computer can be taught to write, but not to read, at least not in the way that those familiar with the Glasperlenspiel of Hermann Hesse, which my lecture shall be about. The best of players read not through the subjects and heroes, but entire epochs and cultures, seeing behind an author his movement, contemporaries, influences, friends, and enemies. However, loading down a text with your personal associations and references only pulls this book into another round of the game. Plugging into the word of what's been read as a context changes the work's composition and meaning. The glass bead game is the same tennis, only played amidst the moldering shelves of a vast library. A reader who plays serves to the tomes, and the projected ball is returned laden with responses after bouncing through halls of meaning. Winning the game depends on how long you can keep it up without losing your nerve and not crossing the lines, staying inside the limits. This is the play I am inviting you to a round of during the festival. Game, set, match. Thank you.